In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product tags to a specific product in Shopify. Whether you're looking to organize your products more efficiently or enhance your store's searchability, adding tags is a simple and effective solution. So let's dive in and walk you through this step-by-step process. First, ensure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. You'll start on the homepage of your store where all the magic begins. Navigating through your store dashboard is straightforward and user-friendly, which makes managing your products a breeze. Once you're comfortably situated on the homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the Products tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Give that a click. This will open a comprehensive list of all the products you currently have available in your store. From here, take a moment to find the specific product to which you'd like to add a tag. Clicking on it will bring you to that product's details page, where various options allow you to manage and customize it to suit your store's needs. Now that you're on the product details page, direct your attention to the right hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Product Organization. It's nestled among other important information about your product, but we're particularly interested in this part because it's where we'll eventually be placing our tag. Within Product Organization, you'll find the Tags field. Tags are incredibly versatile. They can be keywords, categories, or even attributes that describe your product. Adding relevant tags will significantly boost your store's internal search function and can also enhance search engine optimization. Simply click on the tags field and you'll be able to begin typing. Feel free to input whatever tag or tags you think best represents your product. If you already have a set of commonly used tags, Shopify might auto-suggest them as you type, which could save you some time. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the tags you've added, it's crucial to click that Save button in the top right corner of the screen. This will ensure all your changes are kept and the product is updated with its new tags. Neglecting this step would mean losing all the work you've put into adding those tags, so don't forget it. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add product tags to a specific product in your Shopify store. By organizing your products with tags, you're well on your way to creating a more user-friendly shopping experience for your customers and more manageable inventory for yourself. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store.